Hi everyone, this is Annalisa. Welcome back. Some of you know that I've been prepping for a upcoming solo exhibit at a local art gallery, and today is the big day where I get to have an open house and have everybody come and see everything that I've been working so hard on. And as I was looking through my videos, because I'm going to try and add QR codes to the paintings that have matching videos, I realized that Ghost Bloom did not have a video, but I made a video. So I went looking through all of my old video footage and I found it and found that I didn't record any audio, and it was quite literally just edited and left for later. I think I had planned on taking additional pictures to share with it, and I may be able to find a picture or two to add at the end of this video, but I wanted to be able to share this painting because it really is one of my favorites. And I debated a long time about whether or not to add it to my exhibit because it speaks for itself. It's a really beautiful piece. And given that it's such a big piece, it's an 18 by 18, I was really proud of how it turned out. Because a lot of times when you're doing these bigger pieces, you can try 20 different times and still never come up with anything, or sometimes you get it on your first try. It never fails. There's always something that takes a bit to get it. As you can see, this one happened after multiple tries to get it to where the bloom turned out right. I think originally I had tried to do 4 different blooms, but it didn't look right. I wish I could replicate this one. I've tried a few times, but I've not been very successful at replicating it. And that's always sad when that happens. You ever have like that one piece that you just absolutely love, but you can never ever make something similar to it ever again? That's this piece and another piece that I have. It's called Floral Jungle, and neither one of them have I been able to replicate. Floral Jungle, I've had a few that look similar, but nothing that is exactly like it. When you have ones that have like an interference quality to them, they at times can be really hard to replicate. And so you just have to love what you get and enjoy the ride. That's probably one of my favorite parts about paint pouring fluid acrylics, is you just really never know what you're gonna get. Each time it's a gamble. You could end up with something that's not very pretty, or you could end up with something that's absolutely gorgeous. I love how this one turned out though. I like making all the petals. They don't always turn out very well though. Anyway, that's the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.